In this video, I'm going to break down a video ad from Shopify that has over 48 million views. If I were to guess, they've already spent millions of dollars on this ad based on current cost per views. So guys, before we get into this ad breakdown, make sure to smash that subscribe button and the notification bell so I can keep making more amazing videos. So basically, the goal of this ad is to generate free signups for Shopify, and obviously they convert them into paid signups, and they have huge lifetime values because of the fact that when somebody starts a Shopify store, they're going to be using it for years and years, maybe even decades. So let's quickly jump into the video and show you why this ad works so well. So first of all, let's take a look at the hook.
Hey, I'm Talon and this is Rumpus, and I'm going to show you how to start an online t-shirt business. Let's go.
Okay, so the hook is really strong. She's basically introduces her and her dog. The dog is a really great hook because, quite honestly, people love dogs. I love dogs. And seeing a dog in the video right up front, you kind of want to watch the rest of it. And then she also says, hey, I'm going to show you how to start an online t-shirt business. And that's literally in the first 5 seconds. So 10 out of 10 for hook because they have dogs. They're very clear in what she's going to teach you. And it just gets to the point.
Let's go. First, go to Shopify.com and start a free trial.
As you can see, very quickly, they go into the first CTA, which is go to Shopify.com, start a free trial to start your online t-shirt business, right? So with this ad, what they're doing is they're essentially promoting the idea of starting your own online t-shirt business and showing how to build a print-on-demand business. And the first step in that is to actually set up your Shopify store. So this is a pretty smart way to sell Shopify.
Next, create your t-shirt. You can use your own designs or hire a freelance designer. Once you have a design you love, add it to a t-shirt and put it on your store.
So what I love about that is she makes it seem so easy, right? All you have to do is these 2-3 easy steps, go on Fiverr, hire a designer, bam, you have your t-shirt that you can start selling.
Now launch your store and start selling. Starting an online t-shirt business is easier than ever with print-on-demand services.
So now she's introducing print-on-demand, which is like a really easy way to actually get t-shirts done. And the reason they're doing that is to get more people to start using Shopify to sell print-on-demand and pay Shopify their monthly fee.
On-demand handles your inventory, packaging, and shipping for you. Here's how it works. A customer buys one of your custom t-shirts. The order is then automatically sent to your print-on-demand service for printing. It's then packaged and shipped directly to your customer. With print-on-demand,
she literally explains the business model in 10 seconds. Simple, easy to the point, and it's basically a no-brainer, right? If you're looking to actually get into an online business, this is a pretty good online business to get into.
Demand, you can start a business for less money, less time, and less risk than traditional business models. And you never pay for a product.
That's actually really strong direct response marketing. Less money, less risk, less time than traditional businesses. So that's actually a great point because the biggest objections to starting an e-commerce store is that, hey, this takes time, this takes money, this is risky. While in reality, she's just showing that, hey, this is actually really cheap, really easy to do, and we even have a free trial.
You never pay for a product until you've sold it. Oh. This means you can spend your time marketing your products, creating new designs, and talking to your customers because you don't have to worry about inventory or shipping. So what are you waiting for? Go to Shopify.com and start your t-shirt business today.
And that's the second call to action, a very strong go to Shopify.com and start your t-shirt business today. So what they're doing is very smart, and more software companies should do this. They're actually not just focusing on the software, but on what you can do with the software and getting new people into the market. So most businesses, what they do, especially with software, is they just sell to the existing market. They don't try to create a new market. What Shopify is doing is trying to create a new market by getting more people who are everyday normal people to actually start businesses that are powered by Shopify, and thus allows Shopify to massively expand its audience base and its user base. And they're in a blue ocean market because WooCommerce or BigCommerce or all of these other e-commerce providers, they're simply not targeting average people. So this is an incredible way to start getting new customers. Now let's actually look at the landing page. So the landing page is really great too. Over here, as you can see, a very clear headline: sell online with Shopify, trusted by over 1.7 million businesses. And all you have to do to start the free trial is enter your email address. So they make it extremely easy to sign up and try Shopify. And they even show you how to set it up. Again, making everything seem easy. A lot of software companies don't do that. They make things look really hard. With Shopify and the best software companies out there, it's literally 1, 2, 3. And as you can see here, they add in some social proof and then another call to action button to opt in and start the free trial. Now, there are some things I would improve with this add-in funnel. For one, this print on demand angle is working. However, the landing page has nothing to do with print on demand. A better headline would be something like sell t-shirts online with Shopify or start your t-shirt business today with Shopify. And also, I think that sending them to a free trial for Shopify isn't necessarily the best way to do this. What I would rather do is have a similar ad, but actually have a call to action be to sign up for a free t-shirt course, right? A print on demand course. So completely free print on demand course instructed by somebody who's an expert on print on demand. And then obviously through that, the first step is sign up for Shopify. And then they show you how to set up this whole print on demand process. Because what I'm thinking is going to happen with this system that they have right now, with this funnel, is you're going to get a lot of free signups, but only a small percentage are going to buy. While on the other hand, if you can actually get them into some sort of funnel where it's like a start your t-shirt business and make your first sale in 7 days challenge, for example, you're going to have a much higher percentage of people who go from free trial to actually purchasing and staying on as Shopify customers because you're actually teaching them how to do that. So I do feel there's a bit of disconnect between the ad and the funnel, and things could be made better. However, overall, I still think this promotion is working extremely well. So shout out to Shopify for being a software company that really understands direct response marketing, and for their understanding of the market, that the fact that it's often easier to expand the market rather than to just sell to the same customers over and over, right? So this is a great ad. And guys, I hope you enjoyed this breakdown. We have a lot more other breakdowns as well. There'll be a link to a playlist where we have a bunch of other video ad breakdowns below. And I hope to see you on one of those videos. So go click on that link to check out some of our other video ad breakdowns.